Welcome to CAS Language Academy, a fun, modern, innovative space where learning a language is fun, practical, and exciting. Here, we don't just teach grammar and vocabulary. From day one, our students practice by speaking, listening, hearing, and having real-life conversations. And most importantly, practicing real-life situations. Our classes use a variety of methods, such as project-based learning, working in a team, and even technology to ensure that each student is engaged. Here, our students learn without fear of making mistakes, and they can go at their own pace to improve both confidence and fluency. Our teaching team is friendly, professional, and most importantly, committed to making sure your child learns. Whether they're beginner or advanced, our hands-on approach ensures they'll learn fast. At CAS Language Academy, learning is a fun process too. Here we create a safe environment where your child can express themselves through games, songs, and interactive practice. We ensure learning is fun along the way. CAS Language Academy, where learning a language means living it every day. We can't wait to meet you.